Hello, this is S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. Welcome back to my channel, and we got a little special guest today.
Me!
And your name is?
Landon.
Landon. Landon is my son, and we're going to try this again today.
And we see some big fish in here, so we want to film, see if we catch them. Also, the reason why we don't upload much because a computer crashed and we lost some of the videos.
That's right.
We lost 3 of the videos of a fishing channel, so that's why it says 1 week and since we uploaded it. Cast this out there.
Beautiful cast. Perfect.
And then a reel and one. Oh, one time. Last time there wasn't much water. Let me let it get it though.
Okay, bud, I would take it. Remember, you got to set the hook. Might be a little one. We're having a hard time with minnows and see him.
Yeah, that was just a minnow guy. I still got worm on there. Let me also try to get it farther back because.
Another nice cast.
Hold on, let me. I just want to try one more time. Let me go more like right here. There's not much in guys.
Perfect.
So that should be good.
Got him. You got him, bud.
I know, I got him.
Good job.
Caught one, guys.
Good job. It's not huge, people. It's not what you catch, is how you catch it. And that was just perfect techniques that he used. He casted it. He kept tension on the line, gradually reeling in. When he felt that the fish was there, a gentle set of the hook. Now he's taking it off the hook.
Does this hurt him?
No, it won't hurt him.
Why not?
It don't hurt him.
Okay, everyone, look what I caught.
That's a bluegill. Good job. Can investigate it. Good job.
Come on, it's time to put the fishy back.
Yep.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Probably went into his home already.
Where'd he go so fast? Okay, now your turn. Well, we're not really taking turns, but yeah. It's like kind of got me, huh? Have you ever got poked by one of them? Have you ever got poked by one of those things?
The spine, or the yep.
Spines?
Yep.
They kind of hurt, but not too much. Cause I got poked by it. Sometimes I bleed for you.
This is all something new to me.
That's my first fit on video too. Remember?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, cause last time the water was bad, so well this is a new lake we're at today. And this I want to start fishing here because there's a lot more bigger fish on the shore instead of mini guys. You don't even have to go too far. And you only have to wait like 5 seconds for a fish to get on, right?
I can't do this. Cast it back out, bud. If I catch one, you can reel it in.
My worm's off though.
I'll get another worm on for you right now.
Your worm's off too.
Yeah, I think we're probably going to let you fish because there's not many worms left. I'm just going to waste worms because I don't know how to fish this way like you. Okay, bring it on over.
Wait, that's a big juicy one with this one. Oh, my thing's kind of...
That's all right. You can adjust it.
How many worms are off? Like 10?
There's a few more than that. Just run the hook up there. Okay, all ready to cast, bud.
Okay, is the camera looking?
Yep. It's a perfect cast. Perfect. Get it back out there, bud.
Whoa,
You got him.
I got one.
Did he get off?
Oh, yeah, he got off.
Okay, let's get another worm on. Bait stealer.
Why are they, why is they, you don't even get like a second chance.
They feel that hook and they're a little smaller yet. They're this year's fish. You can see me there, right there. I didn't catch any. I can't. You're doing a lot better than me. There you go. Lower your bobber just a little bit before you cast.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Perfect. Remember, put some tension on your line. Is the bait gone, bud?
Nope. It's actually not gone. I hate the bait here.
Once you get it out there a little deeper, want to see what happens.
Oh. Okay, that didn't tangle. I'm surprised.
Did you open up your bail? Or is it wrapped around the tip? Hold on. Let Dad look.
It's recording, right?
Yep.
Ooh.
That's good.
Is that where they hang out?
They'll hang out in the weeds. Reel it in some.
That wasn't a fish. That guy was just... Uh-oh, I think I lost my worm. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye, worm.
Let's get a new one back on.
Why are they... Why is... Okay, here you go.
Why what?
Why do they always take it first try?
They're smaller fish, and I call them bait stealers. Next year, when we get you in a boat, be a lot different. Get you where the bigger fish are.
What if I fall out?
You won't fall out. You have a life preserver on. And I'll be right there. Okay. Take your time and get it out more that way again. That's perfect cast. Perfect cast.
See it floating away?
Yep.
Quinta got it. We got it. That's form.
Why don't you cast over here by Dad, where Dad was, by that log?
Why?
Usually fish, they like to hang by those logs a little bit more. The bigger ones. It's right over here. I'll show you.
Okay, I'll try over here.
Right out there, see where those weeds are? Right up in there.
There?
That'll be fine. Run it. Get your line a little tighter.
Tell me where to leave it.
Right there. See him jump at it?
Okay, that's a minnow.
Is it? You got him on.
Never mind.
Reel it on. Reel him in. Good job.
That guy. Oh, wait, stop.
See, it's a little bigger one, and it was out in that little deeper water by those weeds. That's what they like.
How does this not hurt him?
They don't hurt them. It's all cartilage in their face. If you get it down in their gills where they breathe, they might get a little hurt.